this video, I will show you how to remove age restriction on YouTube. So go ahead and open your YouTube app, and from here click on You at the bottom right. Right now click on the settings icon at the top right. Right now click on General, and in here we can see restricted mode in the middle. And right now I have it off, but if you have this on, then you just need to go ahead and click this off, and then you need to go ahead and toggle this off. And after you've done that, we are going into the next step that is also necessary in order to remove your age restriction on YouTube. And that is by going to our Google account. So right now, open up your browser or your Google app and log in with your Google account. So I'll see you there. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Click on your initials at the top right. From here, select Manage your Google account. And in here, click on Personal Info. And when you scroll down, you will see your birthday. And when you click on birthday, you can go ahead and change your year and your birthday. So your birthday needs to be appropriate in order to remove your age restriction on YouTube. So if you are old enough, go ahead and enter your birthday, and then you are finished. And then scroll down and click on Save once you have made a change. So let's say I'm changing this, then go ahead and click on Save. After that, close your YouTube app and then try to log in again, and then your age restriction will be removed. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.